guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for tutorials, tips and video concepts. If you already subscribed, thank you, that's encouraging. Thank you guys. Today we're going to learn how to do this speak animation you just saw at the beginning. I'm going to try to be quick on this one. It's fairly simple, so let's just begin. So today we're just going to start with this tube. Alright, let's just put this, leave it at 200, and let's just do 150. Actually, let's do 180. Okay, we just bring this to 60 segments and then 25 to the height, exactly like this. So the radius, we just try and bring it to 25. No, actually, okay, let me just do 150. High radius to this about the segments, just bring it to 60. No, this is just not good now. Do this during segments, exactly. This is what I need to do. Alright, bring this up. Trying to try and do just a basic speaker. I won't waste much time to just really in terms of the accuracy, but this will do. So like so. Let's bring a sphere there. 60. Hemisphere. So just duplicate this. Just hide this for a minute. Okay. We'll rotate this. 180. I'm gonna try to get it to the same radius. So that was about, let me just cross check. Yeah, that's 170. So let's try get it to there. Alright. Actually, let me just bring it to 160. You'll see why. Let's bring it to 150. So it's been a while since I've done tutorials. Been just away doing some projects. So now I'm back. Hopefully this might help you on your next project. Okay, let's just clean this up. So just bring that hollow. Let's extrude. I'm assuming you have the basic knowledge of Cinema 4D. If you do, you'll be able to do this. It's fairly simple, fairly easy. Let's bring it out there, and then let's just unhide our thing, corn. It's a mess. There you go. Let's try 50, 80. Alright. Let's convert this. Then make editable. Bring it down a little bit. So I'm just going to delete some here, then select this edges and extrude. Just offset, scale this out. You can put however size you want to. It'll still work. So then now we group our speaker, our inner section. So just name this. I'm just in con. Now starting column. So let me just hit this here. This is a torrent. Alright, just group this like so. Let's get to our torus, make this editable. Alright, just check how big is it. It is 180. Select our edges. Bring this down. Okay, fine. Let me just optimize first. Select all, optimize. You can right click, there's optimize. I just use my custom layout there. So when we do this, let's bring out our cube. Just bring out that speaker shape. Alright, let's just speaker. Bring our cylinder. Let me just put this to 180. Alright, 200. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So I'm just gonna do a pull. Okay, I'm just gonna duplicate this like so. Duplicate. Just gonna group these two. Right, so just do this. Okay, duplicate this. We just go to room 2. So this and this. Alright, scale this down. Alright. This ought to work. Okay, so speed is small. So once we are done with you can rename how you want it. I'm a bit messy right now, but you know, my main focus was on the speaker. So once we got our basic speaker set up, just gonna do our motion now. That's boom boom effect, sound effect. So what we do here now is we put a sound effector. For us to put a sound effector, our speaker has to be in a Mograph. So just put it in a cloner and just go ahead and put one there like so. Then just go to Mograph effector, just select sound. Okay, I'm just gonna group this so we don't get lost here. Okay. Speaker. Alright. We repeat the same step. Mograph, cloner, steps 1. Okay, it's just speaker small, Mograph, effector, sound. Okay, so once this is done, we come to a sound effector and we select a sound. I downloaded a track of mine. Let me just, I found it on YouTube actually, so let me just put that there. Just the drums. Okay. Our parameters, let's just bring that to 8. This is for the large one. Let's just repeat the same step. Load sound. Alright. Parameter. Let's put this to 5. frames. Let's just press play and see what happens. So what it does, just automatically does the job for you. Instead of keyframing, it just animates according to the amplitude, as you can see over there. Okay, if you wanted to just frame faster, just unclick all frames, then it's a bit slow. Then we come to let me just group this as well. So, alright, let's just bring our camera. So our camera there, like so. Let's get to camera tags. There's camera tags, camera tags, camera tags. Oh, come on. Yeah, motion camera tags actually. Yeah, so motion camera. So what happens now is just removed. So just overwrite. What happens here is just lost the position. Okay, fine. Alright. Back. So I'm just freestyling. Otherwise, there's a better way of doing this. It's not by far the how you map it. So now let's just press play. Let me just adjust my height a little bit. Let's try and bring this down like so. Okay. So our motion is a bit it's just too strong. Let me just adjust this. Just come to a preset, put steady calm. Steady. Like so. So I then did it. Came to about 80 frames. Then on my parallax section, keyframe that one. Let's got this here. So keep that. So keyframe, so that when you play it goes like so. Okay, so that makes it more dynamic. Just adding just a bit of movement. Like so. After this, you then put your materials and gets the job done. So sure you know this. Bring it up. So bring our sky. So double click, bring our material there, just put white there. Like so. Double click, just bring a texture for speaker. Okay, let's just bring our reflectors there, add legacy. Alright. Actually, let me just put it to 5. Strength to about 10. Specular. Okay, just bring our roughness. Like so. Just our darkness a little bit. Okay. There you go. Just like this there. Like this there. Okay, okay, let me just see how it looks like right now. Okay, let's just go to our settings, effect, bring ambient occlusion, like so. Let's try again. Flow. Okay, let me just apply some material there. So let me just duplicate this for speaker. So just downloads, just the gray wooden texture I downloaded. Bring it, put it there. Now it's all good there. Control ball. Put cube there. Apply this there. Our mapping, just put it to cubic. Just rotate this to 90. To get that continuous flow there, just put by seamless. Like so. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, let me just adjust this. Just put there 200. Trying to hide these seams. 50. If you've got a better way of doing it, doesn't matter, as long as you get the job done. So So I think it's coming out. I think it's just came out good. So right there. Okay, just there's a floor. So I'm seeing some shadows there. So our floor wasn't touching our speaker box, so there was no shadows. So otherwise guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Hopefully this helps you on your next project. Maybe help you do something fun. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Please like if you liked it. Any comments, please let me know. Any suggestions, I'm here for you. If there's anything you might want to learn, let me know in the comments below. I'll try as much as I can to just assist. Always thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.